In the Carlson Center at Johnson County Community College, an event was held on October 21st to help provide bedding for the homeless. We talked to Michelle Clerk, a professor, to tell us more about this event.
This event is in conjunction with the Holiday Giving Tea, which is sponsored by the 50th Anniversary Committee. We are working with Care Beyond the Boulevard to benefit the homeless population around the Kansas City area. They are an outreach program. They give care to homeless people 3 nights a week. So we're assembling sewing kits for pillows, sleeping pads, and sleeping bags. So we have a lot of materials, and we are organizing it and then putting it together so that sewers from the community could sew them together.
We also talked to students who helped volunteer for the cause.
This event is really cool. So I found a flyer in the CoLab, just help create bedding for the homeless, and I instantly thought it'd be really cool just to come in and figure out what the process was into doing that. Coming in, they were really welcoming. They showed me what to do. Started just making the stuffing for the pillows, and from there we came together as a team and just been able to create a whole bunch of bedding for a good cause.
With the Campus Ledger, this is Mirsa Borbet Kashani.